Hey, we have here another integral. This one's from the UNSW Integration Bee 2022, problem number 3. We have the integral here of dx over x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay, there's a few thoughts going through my head. I guess I could factor, maybe is like partial fractions possible. I think what I want to start with is completing the square on this denominator. So like, if I take a half of this minus 2, I'll have minus 1. So I'll write this as x minus 1 squared. If I multiply this out real quick, I notice I have x squared minus 2x plus 1. Well, we have a plus 2 here, so all I need to do to go from plus 1 to plus 2 is just add 1. If you picture this as a u or another variable, this is really in the right form for the integral that gives us arctan or a trig substitution. I think I'm going to do the trig substitution here instead of the u substitution, just even though it's going to be a little longer. I think maybe it just might be nice to do it. So I'm going to do for my trig substitution, I'm going to say this x minus 1, I want this to be tan of t. Then I'll take my derivative, so our dx value is going to be the derivative of tan is going to be secant squared t dt. Making the substitution in the numerator, we're going to have this secant squared t dt, and then our denominator is going to become tan squared t plus 1. But the nice thing with that is there's an identity for this. Tan squared t plus 1 is going to be the same thing as secant squared t. So therefore, we will just cancel all this, and we just have the integral of 1. So we'll integrate that, and of course we get just t. And then all we need to do is solve for our t to back substitute. I could have done that before, but so let's just solve for our t down here. If I use the tan inverse on both sides, we're going to say t equals arctan of x minus 1. Basically, that's going to be our solution. So we're just going to have t, which is going to be tan inverse or arctan x minus 1 plus c. So that's it, really quick trig substitution. I guess the only way I could have went quicker is if they gave us x squared plus 1. Okay, you know it's a quick problem when I only use half the board, so we'll stop it there. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.